You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word and name. From Spanish originally, it means from Galicia, which is a region of Spain. That's the basic meaning in Spanish, and it's also a surname, which I believe is quite common in Spain, but also in Latin America. Spanish pronunciation from Spain and Mexico, Gallegos. Gallegos. You can replace the double L with a Y, Gallegos. Now in certain parts of South America, like Argentina, they're going to be saying it as Gallegos. Gallegos. And I believe in Argentina, that's how they call the Spaniards, Gallegos. So Gallegos, or in South America, Gallegos. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.